So the question is, in the xy plane, the region y greater than 0 has a uniform magnetic field B1 k cap, and the region y less than 0 has another uniform magnetic field B2 k2 k cap. A positively charged particle is projected from the origin along the positive y-axis with speed v0 equals to pi meter per second at time equals to 0, as shown in the figure. Neglect gravity in this problem. Let t equals to capital T be the time when the particle crosses x-axis from the below of the first point, below for the first time. If b2 equals to 4b1, the average speed of the particle in meter per second along the x-axis in the time interval t is. So, how we will solve this question? Firstly, what will be the average speed of particle along x-axis? It will be like the particle is going like this, then it crosses this part. This is R1. When it's in the first region, this is R2. So average velocity is given by integral of Vx mod dt divided by integral of dt, which gives us d1 plus d2 by t1 plus t2. Now, secondly, what we have R1 equals to mv by qb1 and R2 equals to mv by qb2 from the radius formula, but b1 equals to b2 by 4 as it's given here. So therefore R1 equals to 4R2. Time in B1 equals to, given by T1 equals to pi m by q B1. Time in B2, T2 is given by pi m by q B2. So moving forward, total distance along x-axis d1 plus d2 is equals to 2r1 minus 2r2 is equals to 2r1 minus r2 is equals to 2 3r2. As we converted this from here, we got this formula r1 equals to 4r2 and we put it here. So total time t equals to t1 plus t2, which is equals to 5t2. Okay, then average speed is equals to 6r2 by 5t2 is equals to 6 mv by 5 q b2 into QB2 by pi m, which is given as 6 by 5. So average speed is equals to 1.2. Answer is 1.2.